So my name is Mark Cranmore. I'm with Infinite Electronics in the Pasternack booth, which is one of Infinite's companies, and showing you our counter drone solution. So this is a mock-up of parts for a counter drone solution, and they're all parts that the Infinite companies have in stock. Everything from your climate-controlled NEMA enclosure has both heating and cooling capability and pre-wired with the electronics on there that we can put custom holes in there for your connectors on there. Connectors coming out the side for your antennas. An antenna array that has antennas from your 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz antennas, which are extremely common in the drone industry, to your dish antenna for connectivity, to a Yagi type of antenna for communications. GPS antenna on the top. We have both a standard GPS antenna and a anti-jamming GPS antenna. And then we have the PolyPhaser modules on here. The PolyPhaser modules are lightning protection and surge protection for your electronic equipment. The system here works by drone detection in here. Comes down to your RF sensor, which would be over here. Within your RF sensor, you classify what the signal is, what frequency range it's coming on. Then it feeds into our fusion box. And into the fusion box, you bring in the RF signal, you bring in a video feed, you can bring in an audio feed, and you can bring in your radar, and from there you determine what the threat is to the user. Additionally, from this box you can have an output that goes to your counter drone solution. Your counter drone solution can either be an RF defeat, so you have basically a gun that shoots a signal up and blocks the RF signal coming to the drone, or you can direct your munitions to eliminate the drone, or detect another drone to intercept it on there, and all that feed comes from this box down here. We also have, it's all mounted on a large roof mount type of pedestal, which again is an Infinite product, and it will withstand winds up to 125 miles an hour, mounted on a rooftop. So all of these products in stock, readily available from your Infinite companies.